ஹாய் வியூவர்ஸ், என்னோடய வீடியோஸ் பிடிச்சிருந்தாலும் லைக் பண்ணுங்கள். இது வரைக்கும் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணாதவங்க சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள். ரைட் சைடில் இருக்கக்கூடிய பெல் பட்டனை கிளிக் பண்ணுங்கள். நீங்கள் கொடுக்குற ஒவ்வொரு லைக்ஸும் நான் நிறைய வீடியோஸ் அப்லோட் பண்ணுறதுக்கு மோட்டிவேட்டாக இருக்குது. ஸோ லைக், ஷேர், சப்ஸ்கிரைப் அண்ட் கமெண்ட் மை வீடியோ.
ஹாய் வியூவர்ஸ், இன்றைக்கி நம்ம பார்க்க போகிற டாபிக் Class 9 History Unit 9 The Age of Revolutions Lesson Book Exercise Question and Answer and Higher Order Thinking Questions. First Roman letter, choose the correct answer. First one, the first British colony in America was dash. Option A, New York. Option B, Philadelphia. Option C, Jamestown. Option D, Amsterdam. Here the correct answer is option C, Jamestown. Second one, the pioneer of French Revolution who fought on the side of Washington against the British was dash. Option A, Mirabeau. Option B, Lafayette. Option C, Napoleon. Option C, Danton. So here the correct answer is option B, Lafayette. Third one, Lafayette, Thomas Jefferson and Mirabeau wrote the dash. Option A, Declaration of Independence. Option B, Declaration of Pilnitz. Option C, Declaration of Rights of Man and Citizen. Option D, Human Rights Charter. So here the correct answer is option C, Declaration of Rights of Man and Citizen. Fourth one, the defeat of British at dash paved the way for the friendship between France and America. Option A, Trenton. Option B, Saratoga. Option C, Pennsylvania. Option D, New York. So here the correct answer is option B, Saratoga. Fifth one, dash was the symbol of royal despotism in France. Option A, Versailles Palace. Option B, Prison of Bastille. Option C, Paris Commune. Option D, Estate General. So here the correct answer is option A, Versailles Palace. Sixth one, the forces of Austria and Prussia were defeated by the French revolutionary forces at dash. Option A, Vienna. Option B, Versailles. Option C, Pilnitz. Option D, Valmy. So here the correct answer is option D, Valmy. Seventh one, Candide was written by dash. Option A, Walter. Option B, Rousseau. Option C, Montesquieu. Option D, Danton. So here the correct answer is option A, Walter. Eighth one, the moderate liberals who wanted to retain Louis XVI as a limited monarchy were called dash. Option A, Grodins. Option B, Jacobins. Option C, Emigres. Option D, Royalists. So here the correct answer is option A, Grodins. Ninth one, American War of Independence was ended with the Peace of Paris in the year. Option A, 1776. Option B, 1779. Option C, 1781. Option D, 1783. So here the correct answer is option D, 1783. Tenth one, Thomas Paine's famous pamphlet was dash. Option A, Common Sense. Option B, Rights of Man. Option C, Bill of Rights. Option D, Abolition of Slavery. So here the correct answer is option A, Common Sense. Second Roman letter, fill in the blanks. First one, the Postmaster General of the Postal Department of the Government of Second Continental Congress was dash. The answer is Benjamin Franklin. Second one, the Battle of Bunker Hill was fought on dash. The answer is 17th June 1775. Third one, the Dash Act insisted on repaying the debt in gold or silver. The answer is currency. Fourth one, the leader of National Assembly of France was dash. The answer is Mirabeau. Fifth one, dash was guillotine for organizing a festival of liberty and reason. The answer is Herbert. Sixth one, Louis XVI was arrested at dash with his family when he tried to escape from France. The answer is Valence. Third Roman letter, choose the correct statement. First one, statement 1. The Portuguese were the pioneers of naval expeditions. Statement 2. New Plymouth was named after the Quaker pen. Statement 3. Quakers have the reputation of encouraging wars. Statement 4. The English changed the name of New Amsterdam to New York. Option A. 1 and 2 are correct. Option B. 3 is correct. Option C. 4 is correct. Option D. 1 and 4 are correct. So here the correct answer is option C. 4 is correct. That is, statement 4 is correct. Other 3 statements are wrong. Second one, statement 1. The American War of Independence was as much a civil war as a war against the British. Statement 2. The British forces emerged victorious in Yorktown. Statement 3. The nobles in France were supportive of the rising middle class. Statement 4. The British Parliament repealed the Townshend Act except the tax on paper. Option A. 1 and 2 are correct. Option B. 3 is correct. Option C. 4 is correct. Option D. 1 and 4 are correct. So here the correct answer is not given. The correct answer is statement 1 is correct. Other 3 are wrong. Third one, assertion. Merchants of Boston boycotted the British goods. Reason. The British finance minister introduced new duties on imports into American colonies. Option A. A is correct and R is not the explanation of A. Option B. A is incorrect and R is not the explanation of A. Option C. A is correct and R is the explanation of A. Option D. Both A and R are incorrect. So here the correct answer is option C. A is correct and R is the explanation of A. Fourth one, assertion. There was a massive peasant revolt in the Windy against conscriptions. Reason. The peasants as supporters of the king did not like to fight against him. Option A. Both A and R are incorrect. Option B. Both A and R are correct. Option C. A is correct and R is incorrect. Option D. A is incorrect and R is correct. So here the correct answer is option C. A is correct and R is incorrect. Fourth Roman letter, match the following. First one, John Winthrop, Massachusetts Bay. Second one, Turgot, France Finance Minister. Third one, the split of flowers, Montesquieu. Fourth one, Marie Antoinette, Louis XVI. Fifth one, 7 Years' War, Britain and France. Sixth one, American Independence Day, July 4. Fifth Roman letter, answer the following questions briefly. Question number 1. Who were Puritans? Why did they leave England? Question number 2. What do you know about the Quakers? Question number 3. Point out the significance of the Boston Tea Party. Question number 4. Attempt an account of September massacres. Question number 5. Explain the composition of 3 estates of France. Question number 6. Sketch the role of Lafayette in the French Revolution. Question number 7. What was the background for the storming of Bastille prison? Question number 8. What were the taxes the peasants had to pay in France on the eve of revolution? Roman letter 6. Answer in detail. Question number 1. Taxation without representation led to the outbreak of American War of Independence. Explain. Question number 2. Highlight the contribution of French philosophers to the Revolution of 1789. Activity. Question number 1. If any government becomes bankrupt like the government of Louis XVI, what measures do you think are required to overcome the crisis? Activity 2. Attempt a comparative study of American War of Independence and Indian Independence Movement. Assignment. Question number 1. Attempting an account of Bastille prison.
Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. It will be useful for your competitive exam.